Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kobe Lomax. I am the CEO of Curly Hair, and today I'm going to show you how I take my hair from this to this during these fall and winter months. Y'all know the colder months can be very dry and very harsh on your hair, but y'all, this new routine that I've been doing has had my hair hydrated. My hair has been growing quite a bit. Like, look at the length, y'all. And this video is super special because y'all see them products back there? Those are my products. If you aren't following me on Instagram or TikTok, then this is news to you, but I have just launched my own hair care brand, Obi Hair. I'm so excited to finally have my own hair products out. This has been a dream of mine for so long, and then 2 years ago, I first started working on it, and now it is finally a thing. My website is obihair.com. I will have a link down below if you guys want to check it out. And now let's get into my fall/winter curly hair routine. Per usual, y'all know wash day starts off in the shower, giving my hair a good rinse, loosening up any dirt and preparing it for my shampoo. And for my shampoo, I am using my very own shampoo, the Obi Hair Hydrating Shampoo. Y'all, I have been using this for the past like 5 or 6 months, and I just love it so much. It is a hydrating shampoo, so it does a really great job of cleaning your hair without stripping it dry. It contains ingredients like oat protein, which helps to retain moisture in your hair and also strengthens your hair follicles to help your hair grow. It has argan oil in it, which nourishes your scalp and reduces itchiness and dandruff. It has aloe vera in it, which has enzymes that break down dead skin cells to help gently cleanse and detoxify your scalp. And it also has hyaluronic acid, which hydrates your hair shaft and scalp. And y'all, this shampoo in combination with the conditioner, which we'll get into, has had my hair so hydrated and healthy and shiny lately. It's incredible. I'm like so proud that this is my product. So I work this shampoo into my scalp, making sure to rub my scalp instead of scratching my scalp to make sure that my scalp is nice and clean. And I work it through the links of my hair as well. And as you can see, I'm able to slide my fingers through my hair easily. That's because this shampoo has a really good amount of slip, and I love it so much because it cuts down detangling time during my wash days. Afterwards, I make sure to rinse the shampoo out thoroughly, and my hair always feels so clean, hydrated, and remember that aloe vera in there breaks down a lot of the dead skin cells, so my scalp is always usually super clean as well. All the products in this video are linked down below, but just for you guys here on YouTube, I'm going to be offering 10% off on all Obi Hair products, just as a thank you for always supporting me. So you can use code KOBE10 at checkout for 10% off. After shampoo, I'm going in with my conditioner, the Obi Hair Nourishing Conditioner. This conditioner is super moisturizing. It always makes my hair feel pillow soft, and it features ingredients like wheat protein, which helps to strengthen and improve the texture and shine. And y'all, ever since I've been using this consistently, my hair has been shiny AF. It also has argan oil, which, as I mentioned in the shampoo, nourishes the scalp and reduces itchiness and dandruff. It also has seaweed extract, which contains amino acids that help strengthen the hair shaft and reduce breakage. And it also has coconut oil in it, which, fun fact, helps your hair prevent losing protein. So I take a generous amount of the conditioner and work it into my hair, and then after that, I split my hair into 2 sections down the middle and work on one section at a time, just detangling. Once my hair split into 2 sections, I grab a brush and I just start brushing the product through my hair. And y'all, look how easily the brush glides through my hair. Like, this shampoo conditioner combo is literally crazy. But so I brush the product all throughout my hair just to make sure that the product is evenly distributed throughout all of my hair and to make sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled before styling. After I finish completely detangling my hair, I'll go ahead and rinse the conditioner out, and then we move on to the next step. Now y'all know I always deep condition, but lately with these two, I have not been deep conditioning. I haven't needed to. I think the shampoo and conditioner have the perfect balance of moisturizing ingredients, but also proteins. And so my hair just seems to be really balanced with just these 2 products alone. After I finish rinsing out my conditioner, then I go in with the leave-in. Now y'all, this leave-in is not out yet, but this is another Obi Hair product that smells so good. The smell takes it home. But this leave-in conditioner is super moisturizing. It leaves my hair so hydrated every single time. My hair remains so shiny and healthy. And it really is, in my opinion, like the perfect leave-in conditioner. So it's not out. It will be coming in the future, so stay tuned. I will definitely keep you guys posted. But I just work that in my hair in sections. And when I finish moisturizing a section, I twist it just to get it out of the way, and then I move on to the next section. And I usually apply my leave-in in 4 sections just to make it easier and more manageable. And y'all, I took my little twist out real quick just so y'all can see. Look how shiny and bouncy and hydrated my curls are. Like, like. But anyways, after that, I usually put my hair up in a bun on the top of my head and get out of the shower. After I get out of the shower, I take my bun out and then I section my hair into 3 sections, 1 in the front and then 2 in the back. To style my hair, y'all know I'm going in with one of my longtime favorites, Big Papa from The Do. This hair gel is amazing, 10 out of 10. My favorite hair gel probably on the market until I have my own. To style my hair, I split my sections into 3 sections and then I work on the first section. I smooth the product into my hair, really making sure like the product is evenly distributed into that section and really smoothed in. And then from there, I go in with finger coils. I don't do full finger coils, but what I'll do is grab a piece of hair. I try to grab the hair where it naturally separates because I feel like that creates the most natural curl, like to your actual curl pattern. And then what I do is I just coil the hair around my finger like 2 times, 3 times max, because I don't want to really coily curl. I just want a curl that's nice and clumped together and that's going to last me all throughout the week. Doing this helps ensure that every curl is perfectly defined or just as close to perfectly defined as possible to give you the results that you want so that you don't go through a whole wash day and then get results that you're not happy with. And also, when your curls are individually clumped together this way, they last so much longer. I do this entire routine once a week and my hair lasts me the whole week, sometimes even longer. So after I've done this to all of my hair, it used to take a really long time to do, but now I get through this in like 30 minutes. But once I'm finished, I go ahead and I add water to my hair. Now the OGs know about this trick, but you add water to your hair. I feel like it helps the gel clump your curls together even more, and it just gives you the literal perfect definition. And I usually add the water by sections. So like I finish one big section, add water, finish the next big section, add water, finish the last section, add water. After that, I let my hair air dry and I literally have perfectly defined, hydrated curls every single time. These are some pictures of what my hair looks like when it is dried, and that is my fall/winter curly hair routine. This routine has been keeping my hair so healthy, moisturized, and hydrated, and I just have to give a big shout out to my own haircut brand, OB Hair. It's finally out. Again, all the products are linked down below, and if you'd like to support me and my new business, head over to obhair.com and use code Kobe10 to get 10% off of your order. Thank you so much for watching, from the OGs who have been with me since day one to the newer people, or even if this is your first time seeing me, thank you so much for being here. I am so grateful for all of the support along this journey, and I'm excited to just keep documenting this journey and see where it takes me. That's all for this video, and I will see you in my next video.